I'm going to show you the best 5 free alternatives to Adobe After Effects. If you're seeking free alternatives to Adobe After Effects for motion graphics, compositing, or visual effect, several robust options are available. The first one is Blender. You've probably heard of this. It's a powerful open source 3D creation suite that encompasses modeling, animation, rendering, and compositing. Its video sequence editor and node-based compositor makes it a versatile tool for both 3D and 2D animation. It's widely used in professional environments and is supported by a large community. The next one, Dinci Resolve, specifically the Fusion page. The Dinci Resolve is known for its professional video editing capabilities. Its Fusion module offers a node-based compositing environment suitable for visual effect and motion graphics. While the full suite is extensive, the free version provides ample features for most users. The next one, HitFilm Express. HitFilm Express combines video editing and visual effects in one package. It offers a user-friendly interface with a range of effects and transition. While some advanced features are available as paid add-ons, the base version is free and sufficient for many projects. The next one is called Natron. It's an open source node-based compositing software designed for visual effects. It supports a variety of plugins and offers flexible environment for creating complex effects. Its interface is similar to other high-end compositing tools, making it a good choice for those familiar with node-based workflows. Last one, Syninfix Studio. Syninfix Studio is a free open source 2D animation software. It focuses on vector-based animation and offers features like automatic tweening and a variety of layer types. Syninfix is suitable for creating high-quality animations with fewer resources.